തനിയേ മിഴികൾ തുളുമ്പിയോ വെറുതെ മൊഴികൾ വിതുമ്പിയോ മഞ്ഞേറും വിണ്ണോരം മഴമായും പോലെ കുഞ്ഞോമൽ കണ്ണോരം കണ്ണീരും മായേണം നെഞ്ചോരം പൊന്നോളം ചേലേറും കനവുകളും ഒരു പിടി കാവലായി വഴി തേടണം ഒരു മാറിവിൽ ചിറകേറണം ആശതൻ തേരിതിൽ പറന്നു വാനിൽ നീ ഉയരണം ഇടനെഞ്ചിലെ മുറിവാരണം ഇരു കണ്ണിലും മിഴിവേറണം നന്മകൾ പൂക്കുമീ പുലരി തേടി നീ ഒഴുകണം.
What's the point? I've tried so many things. I feel I'm not existing. I'm still no one.
What happened, son? You sounds like a man who's lost a war.
Huh? I didn't even make it to the battlefield.
That's not what I hear. You fought, you just lost hope.
Hope? That's for those who win, not the broken ones. Sorry, but who are you?
First you hold this umbrella. It's raining. Oh boy, I've already found the answer to that question. The question is, who are you?
I am no one. My dreams, thoughts, life have become a void.
Funny, I knew a man broke nearly every bone in his body. A cannonball tore his leg apart. He thought his life was over. But it wasn't his bones that failed him. It was his pride, his dreams, small shallow dreams.
What did he do, the broken man?
He asked himself, what if my purpose isn't in the glory I sought, but in the suffering I endure?
Sounds poetic, but suffering is just pain.
Pain is a question. What you answer, that's your soul's measure.
Did he ever find his answer?
He did. He became a pilgrim, walking, limping, but walking towards something greater than himself.
And who was this man?
Just a fool who thought he was a knight, until he became a soldier of God. Fine. It's time for me to leave. I don't know if you understood anything that I've said. I just want to tell you that I'm with you. In fact, I'm with all the students.
Wait. What is your name?
Inigo Lopez.
Inigo Lopez. Inigo Lopez.
Cannonball his leg apart. He became a pilgrim, walking, limping, but walking towards something greater than himself. Who thought he was a knight, until he became a soldier of God.
Saint Ignatius. ചിരി കാത്തിടാനിതുവഴി ഞാൻ തുണയായി വരാമിനി എന്നുമേ ഉടനീർത്തിടാം തണലേകിടാം ഒരു നല്ല നേരം.
That I'm with you. In fact, I'm with all the students.